Bitcoin has been holding 88K pretty strongly. Can we still make that move up towards 95, 100K, or is that 70K bear flag going to play out? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 1:15 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at $88,050. Starting off here with the 2-week chart, this closes today in about 5 hours and 45 minutes, let's say, and it's looking like this could close as tweezer tops. The stochastics are low. Maybe after this we could get a run up, but usually when you get tweezer tops we end up falling down. We still have almost 6 hours, so anything could happen. We could definitely still close this candle green. All we have to do is really get above 90K and we could possibly get a green candle here. Now in the weekly chart, this candle also closes in about 6 hours. We have an indecisive kind of red candle here. Our goal is to get above this 80 moving average, this purple line at 90,927. If we can't do that, we're going to be below the 80 moving average, and then it's possible this could roll over one more time. This already looks like it wants to roll over here on the stochastics RSI. We lose this 100 moving average, we're going to start heading down towards this 200 moving average. We take a look at the 6-day chart. You can see in the stochastics RSI down here, it wants to roll over. This still has a couple days to close, so I'm not too concerned about that one. On the 3-day chart, this candle closes in 2 days and 6 hours. Yesterday we had a green candle. These are tweezer bottoms. Stochastics, because you could still say, are on the way up. It's possible we could be making a move trying to get back above the 200 moving average at 89,343. A lot of signs are showing that we want to try to get back above 90K. The fact that we've been holding 88K pretty strong for a couple days shows that we might still have the strength to get above 90K. The 21 moving average is currently at 95,681. I could see us making a run towards that. Now the 2-day chart was telling you guys this is where I'm seeing a double bottom, and this double bottom will take us towards this 200 moving average at 101,482. This is what we want. Right now we just got bullish divergence on the stochastics RSI, and as you can see on the stochastics RSI, we were on the way down and now we're starting to get a curve back up. We are close to the 21 moving average. This candle closes in a day and 6 hours. Let's see if we can make a move back above the 21 moving average. If we could do that, then we have a chance to go towards that 200 moving average. And the daily chart, stochastics are on the way up. We're almost halfway up. This is looking good. 2 days ago we closed a green engulfing candle. Yesterday you could say we closed a little tiny green candle. This candle actually looks pretty funny here. Right now we're having a red candle. We're bouncing off the 21 moving average. We're bouncing down. That's currently at 89,480. We have the momentum to continue going up, especially with how the 2-day chart looks. Let's see if we could get back above that 21 moving average. If we can, then we could start fighting to see if we could get back above this 50 moving average on the daily, which is at 93,156. Now the other time frames don't look too good. The 22-hour chart is below the 21 moving average and we are toppy here. The 12-hour also looks toppy on the stochastics RSI. Same thing goes for the 10-hour, the 8-hour as well, the 6-hour, and the 4-hour is already on the way down. Now yesterday, this is where I left you guys with a flag that could break us out to about 92K. We got to the end of the flag. I stretched that out a little bit more, so now the new measured move is taking us to about 92,500. I also had on the 1-hour chart, I took it off, but a possible inverted head and shoulder, which is the left shoulder head, and this could be the right shoulder, but since this is starting to get elongated, this is why I switched it to a flag. So I'm thinking we could make a move towards 92K to about 93K with these patterns. So let's see what ends up happening with that. That's still in play. Things are going sideways. It's the weekend. It's a holiday week coming up, so everything's going to be pretty slow this week and the following week as well, with New Year's coming in as well. Guys, take a look at the description. I have a link to BITUNIX. In there, they're giving a crazy promotion where they could give you $400 of instant rewards. All you have to do is deposit and make a trade, and you could get up to $400. So check out the link in the description and sign up. The last day to do this is December 23rd, so we don't have much time. And the 30-minute chart, we could see that the stochastics were on the way up. I'm starting to see a curve like we want to roll over. We lost this 21 moving average, so that's not looking too good. It looks like we might be going to test this 200 moving average at 87,535. We really haven't fallen below 87K, so this is what I'm saying. It's looking pretty strong around these levels. 15-minute chart, stochastics are already dipping over. We lost the 21, we lost the 200. We're not too far. We could possibly make it back above here. Take a look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, the 5-minute chart, we lost the 200 moving average. Right now, what we want to do is stay above this 21 and 200 moving average on the 1-hour chart. I feel like we have the momentum with this bullish divergence, and let's see if this flag on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour could play out and we could finally make that move towards towards 92, 93K. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.